I see this repeatedly over and over again. Okay, and number one mistake that I see a lot of businesses as well as agents and small businesses do over and over again, which is killing not only their local ranking but their SEO overall, is switching platforms or switching content on every time they switch websites to another platform. They're in essence killing their SEO because you're putting new content, right? Because when they're switching platforms, the content that was there previously from another platform may not be the same content that's in the new platform. So now you're basically going back to where you were in terms of SEO. And so now you've just killed your SEO and basically going to step zero. So if you must do it, even if you're switching platform, whenever we are migrating or moving a business owner to a new platform, what we do is we try to copy as much of the content as well as the URL for those pages that have some SEO juice, and we want to put that into the new platform to keep everything same, right? So that's as much as you think that it's not important, it is relevant and it is important for SEO purposes, right? But it really depends on, if there's no traffic to your website, then it really doesn't matter. Changing your name in your website, or for that matter, making changes, um, any changes, okay, this is something that recently happened. So one of my local church that I attend is called Joy Christian Fellowship, right? I noticed that on their Google Business profile, all of a sudden, their name, Google automatically, for some reason, changed it to Joy Church. And as I did some investigation, I realized that they changed the name on their website, even though their domain is called Joy Church, but on the page it's called Joy Church, right? And then all other social media, they've also changed Joy Church, and so automatically Google saw that and automatically changed the Google business profile of their business to Joy Church, right? Unknowingly, they did that. And so I had a discussion with the associate pastor, and we're discussing it. And because their official name is still called Joy Christian Fellowship, I suggested that, hey, even though your domain, URL, or whatever is Joy Church, keep it Joy Christian Fellowship. So basically, the answer to the question is, don't be changing any name associated with your business without thinking things through, right? Whether it's on your website or social media, because that's going to confuse Google and everything. And Google, like I said, will automatically change things accordingly to what they see on the web.